everyone, this is Neha and I'll be guiding you through a step-by-step tutorial to set up your help desk. So let's get started.
We are gonna cover the topic of help desk. So like every page, we have to first configure its page. So in help desk, you have to go to help desk and click on page configuration, and you have to click on help desk. Now you can see it's enabled right now. In your case, it will be not enabled. So you have to enable it first. Now you can see the page title. I have put page title as help desk. You can put anything you want. Uh, in the in background image, you can choose any file you want. I have chosen this file, this picture as help desk. So you can choose anything that you would like to choose. uh, we have to create a hotspot for help desk now, that we can click on and go to help desk. So I've chosen the hotspot color as black, which is hex code for hash 6 times 0, which you can select from here. You can put it any color you want. You can just drag around it here, and you can see the hex code here. You can just copy and paste it here. So I have put black as my hotspot color. Now we have to put the title text. I have put the title text as help desk. uh, you can put anything you want. Now we have to put hotspot. Now we have to put hotspot dimensions. So here you can see I have what you can basically, it's very easy. So you can just open the help desk background image on Paint. You open it with Paint. Just a second. Paint. Here you can see I have opened the image on Paint, and now you can choose a point. You have to select a selection tool right here. You select a rectangular tool. You can choose a point here, and you can see the codes written here. See, 953, 759. And if I drag it around here, you can see the coordinates, uh, height and width here, 29 and 27. So in my case, I have chosen 940 as my x and 940 and 535 as my x and y coordinates, and 1010 as my width and height. So you can put the hotspot anywhere you want. Just open the background image on Paint and choose your coordinates accordingly. Now you can put a transition video here. If you want a transition video, you can put it here. Uh, and you can, if you want to skip that transition video, you can choose the skip button color here. I have chosen white. I haven't selected a transition video as I have selected my background image. So it's your wish. If you want to upload a transition video, you can. And to skip the transition video, you have to choose a skip button color, which is white, skip button text, which is skip, and skip text color, which is this one. So you can choose accordingly. Video, there you can select video from YouTube and Vimeo, which will appear on help desk. So you can choose the option from where you want to upload a video, which is Vimeo in my case, or YouTube, like I said. uh, you can just paste their, anything you select, you can just paste their URL here. If it's Vimeo video, so you can paste its URL on Vimeo video URL option, and if it's a YouTube video, you can paste YouTube video URL option here. And just like hotspot, you can adjust its placing on the help desk background from here. You can choose coordinates by opening the background image on Paint and selecting its coordinate and just copy pasting it here. So that's on you. I haven't uploaded a YouTube video because I don't need it. So I'll just save it. It's taking a little time to save. Now you can see that I have saved it. Now I have to click on Live Now. Remember, every time you have to click on Live Now so that it reflects on your front end. Now I'll preview page. I'll log in here and it should reflect on my front end. So you can see the hotspot here, which we made. So here is a help desk. So now moving on, we have to fill the resource configuration. Now you have to go to resource configuration and configure the page. You have to select a color. You can select the color by clicking here and copy pasting the hex code from here. So I have selected my code right here, and the text title here. I have chosen the text title as videos. You can choose sponsored images if you want. I have chosen as sponsored images, which is this one. So you can choose anything you want. Then like I said, just like you set up the hotspot, you can select your coordinates here, just like you made the hotspot, and then you just have to save it. And you have to click Live Now every time you save anything. And now we can see, you have to just refresh your front end and log in again. All right. So now we have configured the resource, and now we have to upload our resources. So you can upload any amount of resource that you want. You can name it agenda or brochure or anything that you feel like that should be on help desk. So I have already uploaded so many files here. So first file is agenda, which is first file name is agenda, which is an internal document, and I have this PDF in that file. So I have uploaded it here. You can upload any file you want, and you just have to select the hotspot you want the file in. So I have select help desk, and now I'll save and add another. So that's it. Save, and you can see I have uploaded many files here. So if you want, you can just click on save and add another file, and whatever you want. It can be a video or a document or a PDF, whatever you feel like, and you just have to click Live Now and refresh your front end and log in again. And you just go to help desk. You can see it here. These are the hotspot we made. These are the videos that I uploaded here. These are the brochure that we uploaded as a resource here. So okay, moving on. Here you can see rotating image setting. We have to click on that. Now we have to add rotating images. So First you have to always enable it, and I am naming the file as rotating image, right? Text title I'm adding as image. Rotating speed should be anything you want, but I am putting it as 2 seconds. Coordinates, like I told you, coordinates can be you can just 1443477 1443477. So I'm trying to upload it here, and my height and width coordinates are 191 133 191 133. Okay, so now you just have to put your coordinates here, which was 14434 and 477. Width was 191 and height was 133. All right, save and add another. Okay, no, I don't want to add another rotating image. I just want one rotating image. So I'll just save it here. And now I'll choose images that I want rotating. So I'll just choose file from here. So let's see. Let's take this image. I'll just put it on rotating image. Save and add another, because you cannot rotate one picture. Okay, so the file size, you should remember that the file size should be max to max 1 MB. So I will choose this picture. All right, so I'll add another picture that I want to rotate, and I'll just save it. Now I'll have to click on live now always, and I'll just refresh my front end, and I'll log in again. Now I'll go to help desk, and you can see here as we put our rotating image, and here is it. So now for the last topic, sponsor logo. If you have to add sponsor logo, you can just click on sponsor logo on help desk, and you just click on here, and you can add always enable first, then add text title, which is brochure. Then you have to add logo image, whatever image you feel like. It should be 1 MB, and I have chosen this pic and this brochure as an image. Then you have to just put your coordinates here like we do on Paint. So I have put that here and save. So I have had add 2 sponsor logos. So the next sponsor logo I have add is video. Name text title is video. I have chosen this logo image, which is video. You can choose anything you feel like. Now you have to put coordinates here and just save. You have to click live now. And in the front end, you have to just refresh it, log in again, and go to help desk. And you can see we have put here video and brochure here. So you can put any image if you want. I have put the title videos and brochure as my sponsor image. So you can put any image or title or any document if you want in a sponsor.
So that's all for help desk. If you still have any questions, you can write to us at support@plateau.in. Also, in the upcoming videos, we'll be covering how to set up your auditorium, exhibition, and engagement area. So make sure to check that out.